Thinking about upgrading your home? Let's talk about one of the biggest improvements you can make, your windows.
So, let's start with a big question. Are your old windows actually costing you money?
You probably know the feeling, right? High energy bills, annoying drafts, and even faded furniture.
The good news? There's a modern solution, high-performance replacement windows.
So, where do you start? Well, let's look at an industry leader, SoftLite. They've got a style for pretty much every type of home out there.
And they have options that work for any climate, no matter where you live.
But okay, what about performance? Let's get into the proof.
For starters, SoftLite is a proud Energy Star Partner of the Year.
And get this, they've won that award 11 years in a row.
How do they do it? With tech like low-E glass, which actually reflects heat. And the result for you? A comfy home and, yes, lower energy bills.
Plus, their products are truly built to last, and they really stand behind them.
So you've got the perfect window, but who can you trust to install it?
Well, that's where your local experts, community construction, come in. They're the ones who bring these top quality products right to your home.
So are you ready to actually see the difference for yourself? It's easy. Just give them a call today for a free consultation. Or even faster, just scan this code with your phone right now.
So think about it. How much more comfortable could your home be next winter?